Alright, everyone. Welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're diving into a super useful topic: how to watch any region's Netflix on your Mac using a VPN. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download a VPN to your Mac. Head to your web browser and search for the VPN of your choice. In this example, we're using IPVanish VPN, and you can find a link to it with a special discount in the description below and in the pinned comment. To download IPVanish, hover over Apps in the top navigation bar, then click on the Mac option. On the Mac download page, simply click Download App, and choose where to save the installer. I'm putting it on my desktop for easy access. Once the installer is downloaded, open it up. Then, just drag and drop the IPVanish logo into your Applications folder. This might take a few seconds depending on your Mac's speed. After IPVanish is installed, you can close the installer and even delete it from your Mac if you want. Now, let's open IPVanish. I'm going to launch it through the Launchpad. Because it's the first time opening it, you'll get a prompt. Just click Open. You'll be taken to the IPVanish login screen. Enter your account details to log in. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, remember to use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a sweet discount. When you log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to create a VPN configuration. Click Allow. Now you can start using the VPN like normal. But here's the magic. We're using the VPN to change our Netflix region. So, open your web browser and go to Netflix. Sign into your account and choose a profile. Heads up, this works more reliably on Chrome than Safari, in my experience. Once you're in Netflix, minimize your browser and go back to IPVanish. Click on Locations in the left-hand side menu. From here, you can choose any Netflix region you want. If you want to browse the US Netflix, choose a US server, like I'm doing. Once you found a country and a server, there are multiple. Choose one that's close to you or has the lowest load. I'm picking Boston because it's nearby. Select the server, and it will connect in a few seconds. Now you're virtually browsing the internet as if you're in that country. Minimize IPVanish, go back to your web browser, and refresh the Netflix page. After a few seconds, the page will refresh, and you'll be browsing that region's Netflix. You should see content specific to that region. As you can see, it says Top 10 TV Programs in the US today here. Select the show you want to watch and enjoy. And that's it. Remember to click the link in the description or pinned comment to get an exclusive discount on IPVanish. This is based on my experience. Results may vary. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.